Nothing happens in this book. Written by Judy Ann Sadler and illustrated by Vig. Judy Ann Sadler wrote the words and Vig drew the pictures. But nothing happens in this book. Published by Kids Can Press. This book looks boring, doesn't it? You might as well stick it back on the shelf or toss it under your bed. You don't need to read it because it looks like nothing happens in this book. I'll bet the next page is blank too. See? What did I tell you? Nothing happens in this book. Just close it now. Oh, you're still here? Great! I think I see something on the next page. Yes, a striped ball, but no one is bouncing it. This is a really shiny shoe, but no one is walking in it. Here's a bright red nose, but no one is wearing it. Hey, a trumpet, but no one is trumpeting. And a tiny car, but no one is driving it. Is anything going to happen in this book? There's a gigantic baton on this page, but no one is twirling it. Here's a flag, but no one is waving it. Oh, balloons! I better grab them. Come on, let's keep going. Maybe something will happen in this book. Cool, a crown. A unicycle. Uh-oh, is that teddy bear lost? And I don't know what this is, but it looks like fun. This is a lot of stuff. I better get my wagon. Meet me on the next page. Look, confetti, and streamers, and popcorn. Something must happen in this book. Listen, do you hear music? I think it's coming from the next page. Whoa, there are trombones and tubas and booming bass drums. I hear horses nickering and bagpipes humming and cheering and laughing and whistling and clapping. It's time to line up. Wait, we're not ready yet. Aha! Something definitely happens in this book, and we can help make it happen. Here's your trumpet. Oh, thank you. What's a trumpeter without a trumpet? Is this your car? Thanks, it's my turn to carpool. I found your other shoe. Well, good thing. I've worn a hole in my sock. Here's your nose. You can keep it. My nose is already red. Achoo! Do you want to wave this flag? Sure. Balloons? Yay! Maybe this contraption is yours? It sure is. Thanks. Hey, catch! I'm glad to get it back. It rolled away on me. Is this your crown? Of course it is. Doesn't every queen wear a crown? Did you lose your teddy bear? I searched everywhere for it. Thank you. Twee! Did you hear that? Somebody blew a whistle. Let's hurry to the next page. It's the Grand Marshal. Is everybody ready? You bet. Yes, sir. I'm in. Let's go. The marshal doesn't look ready. Oh, I know what the trouble is. Here's your baton, sir. Ah, there it is. Thank you. Now are you ready? Yes, sir. I knew this unicycle would come in handy. Come on. Wow! Everything happens in this book. To Leo and Nash, who are everything. J.A.S. For Marianne. Fee. Text was written in 2018 and the illustrations were drawn in 2018 as well. Judy Ann Sadler is the best-selling author of more than 20 books for children. She lives in London, Ontario. Vig has written and illustrated several children's books as part of the creative duo Bellabrute. He lives in Montreal, Quebec. Discover our ebooks. Dingus, Dinosaurs from Head to Tail, Binky the Space Cat, The Most Magnificent Thing, A Horse Named Steve, Scaredy Squirrel. Wait, if nothing happens in this book, what's that teddy bear up to?